At Northwestern Health Sciences University, we designed our massage therapy program for career changers and change makers, people ready to make a meaningful difference in healthcare.
Northwestern Health Sciences University really prepared me for my career. I'm an alumni, and now I also work as faculty in our student clinic. So when I was considering a career change, I was looking at different schools, considering the time of the program, the cost. I ultimately chose Northwestern Health Sciences University because it was a high quality program.
Our students come from all different backgrounds, seeking a new path where they can connect with others and make an impact.
I was a financial crimes investigator working for the government, working for banks, and so I needed a shift in my life, and I needed to reprioritize what was meaningful to me.
For many, the journey begins as a personal shift, but quickly becomes a deeper discovery of self and purpose.
What surprised me most was that I learned most about myself and the presence that I need to bring both into my practice and into the world.
At NWHSU, massage therapy doesn't stand alone.
Education here is very integrative, so even though we're learning and practicing massage therapy, we're also working in the company of chiropractors and acupuncturists. When I was a student, I practiced at the Pillsbury Health Clinic, which had massage, acupuncture, and chiropractic together, and that was actually the model for integrative health clinics that I built in a couple of places later.
Graduates continue to thrive in collaborative spaces where multiple modalities come together to support patient care.
I'm working at an acupuncture and herbal medicine clinic in St. Paul right now with other massage therapists and acupuncturists. I really love the integrative space and working with so many different modalities, conditions.
For many, this career is more than a job.
I wanted to find a career that I could take care of people, comfort people, and then also be able to educate and empower them to be their own health advocate in their wellness journey.
And every step of the way, NWHSU provides a supportive community of faculty and mentors, helping students grow both personally and professionally.
I loved my relationship with my professors. They really spurred me on to be motivated to do my best, to care for my clients the best, and to push through any challenges that occurred through school.
We have opportunities both on-site and off-site that really prepare students for real-world instances, whether that be working with people who are experiencing cancer in specific off-site locations or focusing on trauma-informed care. It's really a great opportunity to experience the whole breadth of clients that may walk through your treatment room.
At Northwestern Health Sciences University, massage therapy is healthcare. With a strong community, integrated learning, and exceptional clinical opportunities, you'll find a place to grow, to serve, and to change lives.